Welcome to Desertel and Associates YouTube channel, and today I'd like to introduce you to why you never want to install solar on your home. Without further ado, here are the reasons.
1. Upfront investment. The initial cost for a complete solar setup can be substantial, often exceeding $45,000 for a 1,500 square foot residence. This includes not just the system, but also ancillary expenses such as tree trimming and roof modifications. 2. Ongoing expenses. Solar systems may not always provide full power, necessitating a connection to the grid and incurring continuous utility fees. Additionally, insurance premiums may rise due to the potential damage from storms and the potential of the solar panels acting as projectiles. 3. Weather reliance. Despite Florida's sunny reputation, frequent cloudy days and atmospheric conditions can diminish solar efficiency, not to mention the absence of production at night. 4. Space and structure. Sufficient and structurally sound roof space is essential. Modifications to support the system can be costly, and the roof's orientation significantly impacts efficiency. North-facing roofs tend to perform poorly. 5. Property layout. The direction the roof faces and any shading from trees can affect energy production. Interestingly, solar panels are less efficient in warmer climates. 6. Visual impact. The presence of solar panels may not appeal to everyone, potentially affecting the aesthetic value of your property. 7. Maintenance. Regular cleaning at 6-month intervals and occasional repairs are necessary to keep the system in optimal condition. 8. Resale implications. Solar panels can decrease property value and may complicate sales, especially if the solar system is on a lease contract or the buyer is not interested in solar energy. The buyers must qualify for the lease, and the lender will also require the payment for the solar system to be a factor in their debt ratio. 9. Regulatory compliance. Local laws or homeowners association guidelines may impose restrictions on solar panel installations. 10. Roof compatibility. Older roofs may face accelerated wear due to solar installations, with the potential for water entrapment and leaks. Future roof replacements require removing these solar systems, adding to the cost. You must have a competent real estate professional if you are attempting to sell a home with a solar system or purchase a home with one already installed. Contact Desertel and Associates today before you make a costly mistake.